to record. Very good. So why are we looking at lowest common multiple, which is LCM? The reason why we are looking at LCM is that it is a topic that it is a must. It must come out in common entrance examination, even in your first term. I asked some of you to send your scheme of work to me for the first term, that is the topics you are treating in mathematics. And majority of the topics sent to me as LCM and ACM. So let's look at it now. Find the LCM of 10 and 20. As I said earlier on, there are several methods, but we are picking the method that can be used for any number given, and that is this method. So I want everybody to start writing straight away. So let's find the LCM for this. This is 10 and this is 20. The smallest number that we divide 10 and 20 with no remainder is 2. So 2 in 10, that is 5. 2 in 20, that is 10. We still make use of 2 again. 2 divide 5, that is impossible. We write 5. 2 in 10 will give us 5. So looking at it now, what are we going to use? We make use of 5. 5 divide 5 is 1, and this is 1. So the LCM is given as, we multiply this, we multiply 2 times 2 times 5. So this is 2 times 2 times 5. What is 2 times 2? That is 4, and 4 times 5, that will give us 20. So the answer to this is 20. I want everybody to write. I'm going to have another example. After that example, we look at common entrance past question in the form of LCM. So I'll be bringing out the common entrance past question on LCM. So everybody should write. Once you are done writing, you can give me a thumbs up emoji. Thank you. Make sure you're writing. Then once you're done writing, give me a thumbs up emoji. Okay, Emmanuel Michel. Okay. Emmanuel is done. Michel, okay. Okay. Okay, almost everyone is done writing. That is fine. Okay. Grace is done writing. Hella is done writing. That's beautiful. Amanda. Okay. Now let's look at the second example. Let's move on to second example. I want to make sure you're following me. For the second example on LCM, let's find the LCM of, this is number 2. So we are finding the LCM of the LCM of 6 and 15. Find the LCM of 6 and 15. Solution. The LCM of 6 and 15. So we write 6, then we write 15. Now let's get the LCM. So the smallest number that can divide this, any of this, is 2. 2 in 6, that is 3. 2 in 15, impossible, we write 15. Then we move on to 3. 3 divided 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3, that will give us 5. So we make use of 5. 5 in 1, we write 5. 5 in 5, that is 1. So the LCM of 6 and 15 is equals to, we multiply 2 times 3 times 5. So we have 2 times 3 times 5. What is 2 times 3? That is 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. So this is the second example, the LCM of 6 and 15. The LCM of 6 and 15 is 30. So this method is used because it can be used for any set of numbers. If you are given 4 numbers, you can make use of this method. If you are given 2 numbers, you can make use of this method. If you are given 3 numbers, you can make use of this method. This method works for any forms of number given, whether the numbers are small or large number. Okay, if you are done writing, can you signify by raising your hand? And let's have a classwork. This question is a common entrance pass question. The question you're about to answer now is a common entrance past question, and I want you to do it with patience. Okay, Dumebi is done writing. They are done. Okay, almost 12 pupils are done writing. Let's wait for others. Make sure you're writing. If you are writing, signify by raising your hand. All right, that is fine. So let's go to the classwork now. I told you this classwork is common entrance past question. So I want you to do well. This is common entrance past question. Make sure you put in your best. You don't rush, take your time and make sure you're doing it well. All right. So the first one is, let's have the first one. Find the LCM of 8, 12, and 16. The LCM of 8, 12, and 16. I told you this is common entrance past question. This is from common entrance past question. Okay. So find the LCM of 8, 12, and 16. 8, 12, and 16. So this is year 2022. Okay, let everybody do this. Find the LCM of 8, 12, and 16. This is 2022 common entrance past question. 2022 common entrance past question. Let everybody do that. 8, 12, and 36. Then let's have number 2. Also common entrance past question. Find the LCM of 15 and 20. So this is year 2017. 2017 past question. Okay, so let's start now. Everybody should start straight away. Let's start.